Hi, welcome to the Qrvey Quick Start. My name is Natan Cohen. I'm the head of customer success here at Qrvey, and this will be a 3-part Quick Start video series. In the first part, we're going to connect to the data. In the second part, we're going to build a dashboard. And then in the third part, we're going to securely embed it. So you'll see the process from start to end, and this is designed for you to follow along with us. Whether you have the Pro Edition or the Ultra Edition, you can use this Quick Start. So the first thing you'll want to do before you begin is make sure that you have a Qrvey Composer login and that you have the platform API key, which you're going to need in the third part in order to securely embed the dashboard. So let's get started. You're going to use your credentials to log in. And the first thing we're going to do is create an application, and I'm going to call this the Quick Start. We're going to click Next. And the very first thing it's going to have you do is create a data set, but first we need to create a connection. So for this Quick Start, you're more than welcome to connect to your data source. I'm going to connect to a SQL Server data source using the AdventureWorks sample database. And if you'd like to follow along with me and you want to use our sample database, you can absolutely do that. Just reach out to support and we can give you those connection strings and login information. I'm going to start by clicking New Connection, and I'm going to select SQL Server. And I'm going to give it the name AdventureWorks. And then I'm going to take the host URL and the credentials, and we're going to select the AdventureWorks database, and we're going to give it a test. Connection was successful, so I'm going to go ahead and create this. Okay. Now that I have a connection, we're going to go back to data sets. And this next segment is going to be for the folks with Ultra Edition. So if you have the Pro Edition, you can skip ahead for the next minute or so. For folks who have the Ultra Edition, you're going to select New Managed Dataset. We're going to choose AdventureWorks. And we're going to import the customer summary view. So you can select that and click Save. All right, now we're going to take a look at the schema that was pulled in. We've got some numeric columns, we have some text columns, and we're going to click Load Dataset and click Load. And when the data finishes loading, we'll be brought here to the Analyze tab with the tabular view, and we can see that all 5 columns of data loaded. Now, if you are a Pro customer, you'll want to create a new data set and choose a Live Connect data set. I'm also going to connect to AdventureWorks. We're going to click Next, and we're going to select the customer summary view, and we're going to hit Save. And we're going to see the exact same schema, except this time there's no data to load. So this Live Connect data set is now ready to go. So let's go back to the main data screen. Once again, if you're an Ultra customer, you now have a managed data set that's loaded and ready to go. And if you're a Pro customer, you now have a Live Connect data set that's ready to go. So let's go over to part 2, where we're going to build a dashboard.